All right, guys, here we go. We got break. Shit, I didn't number it right. What is that?
Where's your tablet?
1353. Oh, I'm doing the video, randomizing video. No, you just do it on here and it records it.
Live screenshot.
Yeah, we got to randomize the numbers so they know what numbers they get. All right, 0 through 9.
You're not live though?
No, I'm recording. I got a screencast going, then it uploads to YouTube. That way they can see that I legitimately randomized all the numbers for the break. So, what break number is this? Hold on, guys, I screwed up. So this would be break. So this would be 1353. Sorry. Post 1353. There we go. I messed up. There we go. Break 1353. What's 70 rounds? 3. And we got UBR. Break 1353. 5 or greater with 2 dice. We got a 6. Good to go. Let's do her. 6 rounds. Begin the giveaway. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round. There we go. 3 on top, 9er on the bottom. Good to go.